quick surprise party for Rachel. Today's her birthday and I wanted to do something special for her. So I made her a cake and I got her a gift, a couple of gifts. But hopefully I can catch her. She's coming to the door and surprise her. Which that might be her right now. So I just wanted to wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rachel. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
So this morning, Hannah told me not to come home after lunch until she gave me permission to come home. So she finally has given me permission to come home, and I think she might have a cake for me. So let's go see. It might be a peanut butter cake. That would be really yummy. So let's go check it out.
Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, Rachel. Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday! Oh,
She was recording.
yes.
Okay, continue.
I don't know. I'm recording you. It's your birthday and your reaction. So.
Okay. Oh, I was right. Look here, y'all. Oh my. Look at that. That is so gorgeous.
Rachel, how much Mama Karim Day?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it's a coffee cup. Friends are the family you choose with your heart. So grateful for you and the friendship we share. Happy birthday. Hope you've had a wonderful birthday, Rachel. You deserve it. I want you to know that you became a dear best friend of mine and I love you, Hannah. Somebody's knocking out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
So the knock at the door was actually another card and a $20 gift card to Walmart.
Showing you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, how cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so neat. Okay, some pins. I love pins.
Pretty pin.
She knows pins for sure.
Oh, look at that!
How cute. And it got so much stuff in it.
Yes.
Lotion.
Pineapple bag.
Lip balm.
Very good.
Some more lotion. And Dove Intensive Cream. Joy is contagious.
My present's your gift, right?
Yeah.
Have seek knowledge. That is really cute. Grow through what you go through. That is so adorable.
That's a lot of gift.
She loves me. Just saying. Oh yes. That's cute. And another little photo frame. Yes. Today is more than just your birthday. It's a reminder of how much happiness, beauty, and love you bring into the lives of so many simply by being yourself. Happy birthday.
Bonne fête, Rachel. Bonne fête, Rachel. Bonne fête, Rachel. Bonne fête,
Oh my. Is this an apron? Oh, look at this. This is too cute. Okay, this is my first apron. I was hoping someone would get an apron for me, you know, since it's a cute apron. The ruffles. I gotta put it on. What's it say?
Cheers.
Cheers.
And it's hot cocoa.
This is perfect for the hot chocolate episode. This is great. Okay. Another notebook. People know I love notebooks.
Open it up.
Maybe it's not a notebook. Oh. This is for our weight loss. We're going to try to start doing weight loss. This is perfect. It says never give up. And then a gorgeous pink and gold cuddly blanket. I love anything pink and gold. Aw. Thanks. So today is your birthday. You're 1 more year old. What a wonderful birthday, or so I've been told. On a cake there'll be candles all lighted for you. And the whole world is singing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rachel!
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，Rachel Summer。祝你生日快乐！Happy birthday， 生日快乐，生日快乐，喂，生日快乐！祝你今年有美好的一年。再多吃一点，然后再多长一点肉，就这样，生日快乐
Today is your birthday, your happy birthday. Today is your birthday, happy birthday, hey.
So I'm all the time losing my keys, so I bought this key holder with money that my mom and dad sent me for my birthday. So hopefully I won't have to hunt for my keys every time I want to leave.
Hey, Ray.
Happy birthday! We love you.
Are you 31 yet?
Hey, Dad, it's just almost 30 now.
I thought she was 9.
15.
Bye.
Love you.
How much mama carry they long you? 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this is to Rachel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You look like a monkey, and you act like one.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños.
Today's signature.
He knows it! You want to see this?
Feliz cumpleaños Hati. Feliz cumpleaños Hati. Feliz cumpleaños Rachel. Feliz cumpleaños Hati.
Okay.
No, I don't know how to do it.
Happy birthday to Rachel. Happy birthday to her. I'm trying to do like a jazzy sound. I don't know if it's working.
Happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you. Every day of the year, may you find Jesus near. A happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you, and the best year you've ever had.